Hey, what's up? What's going on? Daria Jackson Leganier here, co-founder of Online Success Made Simple. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create posts in using Nowsite. So I'm going to go over to Nowsite right now, and I am in the social media section where you're going to be able to create your social media posts right here and then post on either Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter. Okay, so I'm going to get started. And right now you're looking in the social marketing section. So what Nowsite does is suggest posts based on the websites that you make. So here's a suggested post for one of my websites called Live Longer and Healthier. So it's showing 5 tips to lose stubborn fat, belly fat faster. So yeah, that could be appropriate, but that's not what I want to post. So you can continue to go and use these arrows and look at what is suggested. So here's another website, and this is a 74% match, but no, that's not what I want to post. This is not what I want to post either. So this is another website I created, another one, etc. So let me just show you one. So here's another site that I created. So this one is how to invest in cryptocurrency. So it does relate. It's a 60% match, but not exactly what I want. But I could take it a little further and say, hey, let's take a look at it. So I'll click on these 3 dots. I can edit it. I can save it for later. I can view the content. And if I love the image, I can download it. So let's say I say, I like this content. You can view it to see if this is something that you want to share. And in this case, this is a video. So let's let Fernie continue and skip the ad. And I can take a few minutes. I can review this video. And I can take the time to look at this video for 23 minutes and see if this is something that I want to share with my audience. Okay. So now I'm going to go back because that's not something I want to do. So what I want you to do is focus up here where it says social marketing, add new. That's where we're going to go. Also, just to let you know that if you didn't want to do this, we do have an option where our experts will create your social media post for you, depending on what package you have. Okay, so let's go to add new. So now you can select the type of content that you want to share. You can share articles, videos, images. You can also share in different languages, French, right, etc. Okay, cool, right? You also can use your own article or video, and you would just put the URL here. Now, you're going to see in a few minutes why it is so powerful to use Nowsite as your vehicle to post your content and create your content and then post. So I'm just going to do something really quick and simple. I'm going to go to images, but you can go to videos and just look at the different topics that you can choose from. So it pretty much hits a lot of niches, but I'm going to go to images, and I want to go, you can go to digital marketing if you want. Let's go to digital marketing. Let's do that. And then there's articles. You could do articles, you can do videos, but I'm going to just stick with images. Okay, so look at these images here. Nice images. Look at that. Really cool stuff. And then, there's 5 pages of images. So if you don't see anything that that's appealing to you, you can just keep going. Look at that. And this is all about digital marketing. I saw something back here that caught my eye. Where is it? Oh, I never saw this one. This is pretty cool. Okay. So we're going to click on that. Yeah, that is phenomenal. I like that. Okay, so now I have my image. You do have the ability to change the image if you want, but I'm not going to change it because I like it. You can do an overlay color if you want, right? To make it darker or to give it, you could change the color here. You can write over it if you want and say, you could say anything like maybe online, and see how it's writing on the text. Online success made simple. You can do that. You can change the font if you want. You can even change the color so you can see it. You can also change the alignment. Move it over. But in this case, I'm not going to put anything here because I like it as is, but just to show you that you can put something here. So now we're going to go to post data. You can write something here in the subscription. Get your social media needs met. Here. You can do that. As a matter of fact, I like that. I might copy that and use that. You can you can use any one of the websites that you have created, and as you can see, I did a ton. These are all the websites that I have created in the system. So let me see. I want to find one that I want to use, or if I want, I can just put a URL here. Okay, so I want to use one of the websites that we created, and I think I'm going to go with this one. Okay, this is Online Success Made Simple, and then I'm talking about getting our needs done here, but I'm going to take this out. I don't want this here. All right, so now what I'm going to do is go to post. So what Nowsite does is creates a blog for you. So everyone has a blog. It's organized. It's really nice. So it says, and it just helps you to get more exposure. So would you like to add this content to your website's blog? Yeah, of course. So you say yes. Blog is done. Now, this is where you can post on various social media platforms. So I love this. Now, this is a custom URL that you should set, and you can say, make sure you can have it say whatever you want it to say. It's just that if someone has used it, then you have to figure something else out. So I'm just going to say OSMS. I don't think anybody has used that because that's in reference to Online Success Made Simple. And what I'm going to do is, so before you do this, you make sure that you, in the section, in the account section, make sure you add all your social media URLs so that the system has it. And what you would do, in this case, if I wanted to post this on Facebook, I can post it on my personal page or any one of my business pages, but I'm not going to use Facebook. I'm going to do LinkedIn, and I could do Twitter as well. But just for this video, I'm just going to do LinkedIn. So now I'm going to click post. And it's taking me to LinkedIn. And here is the image. I can share it in a post. And I could say something like struggle with your day to day social media tasks. Get your social media needs met here. Then I'll put my hashtags, hashtag OSMS, hashtag online success made simple. I'll just do that for now. And now, when you scroll down underneath the image, you will see my website that I set it to. And also you see the URL that I just created. So when they click on this, this looks appealing. Like, wow, I think I want to click on this. And then all I do is hit post. I can view the post. And there it is. Now I would go back to Nowsite. Oh, okay. This is from LinkedIn. So now I'll go back to Nowsite. Have you succeeded with publishing your posts? I say yes. And it says your social marketing is done. I hit great, and that is it. And this is how you use Nowsite to post on your social media, which is so powerful. If you got value from this, just let me know below this video, and I'll see you in the next video.